Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a pumpkin cream parfait. Super easy, super simple for your breakfast. And I just have some caramel cream here. And I just kind of made like little zigzag things in my parfait glass here. And I'm just kind of like moving around the caramel. But I had kind of zigzag some stuff in here. So no design particular. Just freehand artistry work, I should say. And we're going to get into our vitamin content, and we'll be back with doing our designs. Our pumpkin puree has vitamins A, B1, B6, C, copper, calcium, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Vanilla Greek yogurt has vitamins B6, B12, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and riboflavin. Pumpkin granola has vitamins K, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, and zinc. Cinnamon has vitamins A and iron. Nutmeg has vitamins A, C, E, magnesium, and manganese. Pumpkin spice has vitamins A, C, K, and calcium. Honey has calcium, manganese, niacin, pantothenic acid, and potassium. And dried apricot has vitamins A, C, E, beta-carotene, potassium. And our caramel syrup has vitamins A, B2, and B5. Real facts. Children who are food insecure are more likely to be hospitalized. They are also more likely to suffer from growth impairment. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. So we're going to take, this is some honey I have here, and we're going to take some pumpkin puree because our puree doesn't have really any sugar in it. So we're going to give it the natural sweetness of the honey. Mix that in here. We're going to put a little dab of cinnamon as well. And some pumpkin spice makes everything nice. Just a little. Oh my God. I love the smell of cinnamon. Put a little pumpkin spice in here. Makes everything nice. You know, a lot of people underestimate pumpkin. Pumpkin is really like almost close to like a superfood. It's so healthy for you. Actually, my puppy, we feed him a lot of pumpkin because he has a tumor. And not only does he love it, it's actually one of the foods that has kept him going 3 years beyond his life expectancy that they had given him almost 3 years ago. And he loves the pumpkin, and it's super healthy for him. And it's super healthy for us too, as human beings. So a lot of people just underestimate pumpkin, like, oh, it's just a seasonal thing. But it doesn't have to be. Again, you know, life is what you make it. It's how long you want to have something. You know, who says you can't wear white? You can wear white if you feel like it. Same thing. You have pumpkin beyond, you know, the fall. Have it in the winter. Have it in the summer if that's what you like. You know. So here we go. So what I do is first I'm gonna put a layer of our pumpkin by itself on the bottom. So kind of smooth that out all by itself. And then I'm going to put our granola. And not just any granola, our pumpkin granola. You can get the real pumpkin, the pure pumpkin here. And then we're going to take some, and this yogurt is really creamy, so that's why I call it pumpkin pumpkin cream, because it's really creamy, this yogurt. So I'm going to have some of this pumpkin go in here. I'm going to mix that up and try to kind of get like, turn the colors a little bit, almost like marble, if we can. The dark to that light color. So get some of that in here. Okay. So you have like the two-tone color in here. Kind of have that going on. We're going to add some more. This is something that you can do, you know, before you go to work, if you have a few extra minutes, or, you know, just to treat yourself in the evening. If you don't feel like eating a full dinner, come home and make yourself something nice like this, or even a Saturday treat. When you wake up, you know, Saturday morning when you may have a few more minutes, make yourself, you know, put your feet up, a little parfait. And why did it not be pumpkin, right? Okay, we're gonna do some green tea. So we have the pumpkin puree at the bottom here, and then we have like that marble mix right here. And then now we're adding some more of the granola here, pumpkin granola. My Max loves pumpkin. That's my little puppy. You see a picture of him. This, of course, is when he was 100% better. But he's a survivor. You know, like I said, pumpkin has been one of the key things that we have given him to eat. And it has really helped him, along with some other natural things that we won't talk about on here because I don't know if I can. But it has preserved his life thus far, though he still has this very massive tumor. But he is full of life. And so we're just going on the fact that he's happy still being here and full of life. And he's still fighting every day. So now we're going to go ahead and put this creaminess on the top of here. As I said, super simple. Super, super simple. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Okay. And we're just going to do our dried apricots here. Okay, dried apricot, one night big cluster here. Okay, and let's put a little bit of our pumpkin spice and then our caramel. Look at how beautiful that is. And we gotta add more caramel to our life, of course. Like I said, it's a nice little treat. Maybe instead of having ice cream, you want to do this. So, ta-da! And here we go. So we have our pumpkin puree with a little bit of honey and cinnamon at the bottom. And at the top, we have that yogurt cream with the pumpkin puree mix, kind of give it a marble effect. And in between that, we have the layers of the pumpkin granola. And on the top, we just have the yogurt cream on the top by itself. So you can kind of see the different three contrasts of the colors. And some dried apricot and pumpkin granola, again, right in the center, and some caramel syrup. Well, Chef Suzanne, here we go. Cheers to you. Let's try it. Whoa. Who knew something so good? Really, really, really healthy for you. Oh, wow. Tastes just like a dessert. Who needs ice cream with all the calories? You can have this. Obviously, you taste the granola. You taste the pumpkin. All the spices from the pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, so good. Really, 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 really good. Don't know why my puppy Maxie loves pumpkin. It's pretty good. And he eats it full on. No honey in it. Seriously, guys, this is a great pick-me-up, snack, lunch, dessert, however you want to call it. Make yourself feel better. Right here. Pumpkin puree. All year round. You don't have to have it just for the holidays or just for the fall. Oh, wow. I got to the bottom. I got to take the pumpkin by itself. Really good. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. And it brings us back to the thinking lab. What else could we do that would be creative for you, enjoyable, and most of all, pleasing and tasting to your palate? And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe. And share this channel with your family and friends. They will thank you. We thank you for hanging out with us today. We really do appreciate your time. For eating with us virtually while we ate physically. And you too can make this and eat physically. And comment below because we do answer the comments. And also, in this beautiful holiday season, if you're able to donate anything to families suffering from food insecurity, you can donate on our YouTube page. Just click the donate button because that's what our charity does. Support families suffering from food insecurity. As it's a difficult time for many people, we thought throughout the health risks that took place that was a difficult time, which it was. But a lot of things being super expensive now makes it really difficult for families, and hence why I made the Thanksgiving alternative videos for people who may not be able to afford a turkey or buy a turkey, of other things that they may think about or can try to do. With that said, if you're able to even help out your own local food pantry, please do so. because the local pantries are really where the community goes to, and they are 9 times out of 10 self-funded, not through any grants, out of their own pockets, such as us, to help make sure that people have and don't go without the best that we can. So please be open to helping if you can, to either our nonprofit or your local food pantry. Usually they could take your dollar and stretch it further than you bringing them things. Because when you bring them things, usually a lot of times we have like some deals with the stores and the dollar could go further that we have. So donate a cup of your Starbucks coffee, maybe a cup of your Dunkin' Donuts, latte to kind of help. If you can do more, thank you. If you can't do anything at all too, that's fine. Thank you all again for watching and hanging out with us today. We do appreciate you. Love you guys. Bye.